Hi guys, welcome to LaShae's place. Welcome. We are going to do a video about the different products that I make and that I sell. So let's get started. Alright, so shea butter will be the first thing we talk about. If you see me looking down, I have a list of things on my laptop here to make sure that I cover everything I want to cover about. So it comes in a container like this. This is what I sell my shea butter in. I typically have a nice cute little label you'll see on the rest of my products. I ran out of labels at the moment, and you know the mail system right now, so they're taking a little bit, but they will be in. And so I will open up the container to let you see kind of what the consistency look like. That's what it is. I whip it down. It has extra little oils and goodies in it, not just shea butter. So let's get into the benefits of the shea butter. So shea butter by itself has great benefits. So it helps with dry skin. It's a great moisturizer. It helps with skin rashes. It helps softens rough and tough skin on the feet. It helps with skin peeling. It helps for blemishes and wrinkles. Because it's moisturizing, it will help penetrate into your skin and smooth some of those wrinkles and things out. It's good for itchy skin. It's good for sunburns. It's good for stress marks while you're pregnant. So to prevent stress marks while you're during your pregnancy. It's good for insect bites. It's good for poison ivy to soothe. And it's also good for people who have eczema. I have sold this to a few people that have family members with eczema or themselves have eczema, and they have come back to me and said it's a miracle worker. So it's proof of that. I have proof of that. And because of the other oils that I put in there, it's also, so my shea butter itself, because of the extra oils that I put in there, it's good for healthy skin growth. I sell this in two different scents. I sell it in a natural scent, which it does have essential oils, but the essential oils in there are geared more toward the benefits of helping your skin. So I call that the natural scent. And then I have passion fruit for people who want a little more of just a normal scent. So that is our shea butter. Now we go into our sugar scrub. So here's our sugar scrub, and it actually has a pretty label. Let me see if we can get it to focus. There we are. So it actually has the pretty label that my shea butter should have on there. It comes in the same type of container. I will open up and let you kind of see. So that is the sugar scrub. It's not just sugar, it does have oils and things in it as well. So let's get into the benefits of the sugar scrub. So the benefits of the sugar scrub, of course, sugar scrub, a scrub is for exfoliating. So it exfoliates your dry skin to make things nice and soft and smooth. It's fine enough to go over your whole body, so you can use this as a body scrub, but it's also coarse enough that you can use it on your feet for those rough areas. Because of the different oils that I do put in there, it's not as drying as some scrubs would be, so it is a little moisturizing. When you get done, your hands or your body feels nice and soft, but it doesn't feel so drying. But it would be good to put a moisturizer on top after the fact. So you could go back to the shea butter and put that on afterwards. So it will be a nice way to bind them together so that you can have a set, because exfoliating and moisturizing go hand in hand when you want healthy, moisturized, smooth skin. And this also comes in two scents. It comes in the same scent as the shea butter, so it comes into a natural scent, and then it also has the passion fruit scent. And so that is our sugar scrub. All right, now our next product is our lip scrub. And so the lip scrub is a sugar scrub. Most of the ingredients are the same as the body scrub, but with lip scrub, I actually put agave nectar in it, or agave, however you want to say it. I put that in it instead of honey. I'm trying to make all my products vegan, so instead of honey, I put that in there to help with moisture. And so it comes in a nice cute little tube like this. It has the cute little label. If it will focus. It's not focusing. There we go. It has the cute little label, and that is upside down. So there we are. It has the cute little label. It comes in a nice little tube like this. And so the benefits of lip scrub. Lip scrub, it's great for exfoliating your dry skin on your lips. It's great for people who do makeup. If you wear a big, bold, bright color lipstick, then you don't want your lips to have those creases and cuts and bumps and bruises and, you know, all that stuff and show through the lipstick. You don't want to see the cracks. So before putting on a bright lipstick, you scrub your lips. And also during the cold months, we know our lips get chapped and dry. So this is also really good for that. And so it also comes in 2 scents. It comes in peppermint and it comes in passion fruit. You would notice the peppermint has a beneficial, peppermint helps with circulation. So that is why I use peppermint for that. And so that's kind of geared to like the natural, like with the shea butter and the scrub. And then you have the passion fruit scent. So that is our lip scrub. And then we go to our lip balm. So our lip balm is here. It comes in a nice little tube. It has the cute little label on it. Here it is. This one's not used, so I'm not going to scooch it up, but there it is. And so the benefits of lip balm: it moisturizes your lips. Okay, we know what lip balm does. We know it nice to be nice and soft, and this isn't like a lip gloss, so it doesn't show shine. It just moisturizes, so your lips feel nice and shiny. I mean, nice and smooth. Sorry. So the benefits of it, like I said, it moisturizes your lips. It's great for the cold seasons. This is kind of staple for me because I don't actually wear makeup or lip gloss or anything. So a lip balm or Carmex is my thing. And so I decided just to make my own. And so this isn't vegan yet. It's vegetarian, I guess you would say, because I do use beeswax, but I am going to make it vegan because why not? Because let's protect the animals, right? So I'm going to make it vegan. And so that's also a thing. All my products are homemade. They're all natural, and very soon they will all be vegan. So it comes in 2 scents as well. It's the peppermint and the passion fruit. And you can also, I sell the lip balm and the lip scrub as a set as well. I sell them separately, and I also sell them as a set. So you can also do that because, like I said, with the shea butter and the body scrub, moisturizing and exfoliation goes hand in hand to make everything nice and smooth. So our next product is cuticle oil. So this is my cuticle oil. It's my own little blend. It has great moisturizing oils in it. So cuticle oil moisturizes your cuticles and your nails. And so with the times that we are in, with the constant washing and the constant hand sanitizer, it dries our hands and our cuticles out. And so this is my own little blend of cuticle oil. So it helps with moisturizing your cuticles and also your nails. Some people, if you have dry nails, this could be something for you as well. It is because of the oils that I do put together, it could possibly even help your nail growth. Okay, so that is my cuticle oil. It comes in a nice little tube like this. It comes with a little brush, so you can just brush it right over your nails and rub it in, so it's not a hassle. It's not, you don't use too much or have too little. You kind of just brush it over and you keep it moving. And so it's a nice little tube where you can carry it around with you in your purse. So that is the cuticle oil. All right, so my next product is my press-on sets. So it comes in a nice cute little box like this. It has my label on it that says press on nails. And so it comes with whatever set of press-ons you want, and it also comes with everything you need. So I'll show the press-ons. These are a size medium, I believe. So these are some roller gold press-ons that I have made. So it comes with 10 sizes, or 10 nails to fit your nails. And I sell them in small, medium, and large. Also, they come in different shapes. So I have the long coffin, and then I have the short coffin, and I have the long stiletto, and then I have the short almond. And I'm looking into getting some more different shapes, but I know those are the most popular ones people like, so that's what I have. So that's the kit. And also in the kit, it comes with everything you need. So at the top of the box, you have a nail glue, you have a cuticle pusher, you have a nail file, you have a buffer, and you have cuticle oil. And that all comes in, and you also have some nail tabs. And so let me explain a little bit here. So the nail glue is for if you want them to be a little more permanent. You want to wear them for a week, 2 weeks, however long. And then the nail tabs are for if you just want to wear them for a day. The best way, because when I say nail tabs, people kind of look at me strange and don't understand what those are. So you know when you're a kid and you have those kitty press-ons and it comes with those little glue pick stickers to put on the press-ons, that's what this is. And so they'll last for a day or two, depending how rough you are with your nails. But it does the job. You know, you got an event to go to, you don't have time to do your nails, you don't really want them on forever, you just want them on for the event for a few hours. The nail tabs is the way to go. The nail glue, like I said, if you don't want acrylics, but you want them to last a little long, the nail glue is the way to go. And so you have everything you need to prep your nails and to make them look good. Even after you take them off, all this stuff is there for you to make your nails look better afterwards. And I do have a video on how to take your press-ons off. I will either put it in the video or I will put it down in the description box for you to watch that video. And so also with the press-ons, we have a sample kit. So like I said, I have small, medium, and large already set up with the size. But let's just say you have weird nails like I do. My nails are wonky. Like I can probably wear an extra small, or some of the smalls don't really fit for me, and so it's just weird. And so I could customize your nails. And so I have a nail sample. It comes with all 10 sizes that comes in the pack, and you will just put them on to measure which one goes where, and you send me an email to let me know how they went. And so then they're a customized set just for your nails. This works perfect, you know, because like I said, I would need a sample set because my nails are a little weird. Like this finger is a little bigger, it's just weird. And so doing a sample set will guarantee that they will fit perfectly for you. And so, and it doesn't cost much. You know, you get these and then I send you, I do the nails that need to be done, and you get the nail set that's perfectly for your nails. So that is all the products that I sell at the moment. I have a list of things that I'm working on that I will eventually be putting out. And the next video I do would be the video of all the services that I do. And so can't wait to make that video. Just keep watch. Of course, it will be posted. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. This is a growing business, and I would love the support, and I appreciate the support that's already been having for the ones that are watching. So see you soon.